Today we're going to unbox the new HODINKEE ZODIAC collaboration. Let's dig in. All right. So we have the worst packing material on earth, crinkle cut paper. I don't know whether I hate that or peanuts more, but looking past that, we have a shipping document and the presentation box inside of a dust box, which is already torn. All right, now let's dig into the good stuff. So the presentation box is in decent shape, and the display box comes with what looks like an owner's manual, a polishing cloth, and possibly a warranty card of some sort inside of a plastic sleeve. No, this looks like another manual just explaining how to use the ZODIAC aerospace GMT. Now that's interesting because this is not the aerospace GMT, this is the Super Seawolf GMT. So it says Super Seawolf here on the cover, but on the inside it says aerospace GMT, which is the model, as I understand it, that this was just sort of designed after. I'm not sure why they changed the nomenclature from aerospace to Super Seawolf, but nevertheless they did. So looking at the watch, it comes presented in this lovely blue plastic wrap, seemingly unnecessary. It has a plastic sleeve covering the crystal and the entire length of the bracelet. And there is a paper hang tag indicating the reference number ZO9402 and the price of $16.95. So first impressions on the watch are that the dial is a really neat matte black color with a matching date wheel, that's a nice touch. The aqua and blue are very attractive. What I would note though is that the aqua combined with the white numerals makes it really, really hard to read what those numerals are. It almost blends in with the watch. Let's test the crown out here. So it's a nice smooth winding movement. I know they used an ETA for this instead of their quasi in-house movements because they don't have a GMT in their lineup. So the back is engraved with the limited edition number. There was only 182 of these pieces made, and in this case it is engraved. The bezel action is relatively smooth. It's not silky smooth. There's a little bit of pressure needed to apply. It is bi-directional. It doesn't have a very satisfying click sound, so if you're looking for that, this one does not have that. It's just a very notchy turn. Aside from that, I think the watch is made seemingly pretty well. Take off some of the plastic wrap on the strap here, on the bracelet. It's nice. It's pin construction. I wish it would have been screwed, but I understand at this price point, at $1,700, give or take, you can't ask for everything. Now that I've had the ZODIAC and HODINKEE collaboration for a few days, the Super Seawolf GMT has given me a lot to think about. While I do love the aqua and blue combination, I wish that the numerals on the aqua were a little bit more legible. I find the white really hard to read. The bracelet is lacking. I kind of feel it should be a screwed construction at this price point instead of pinned construction, and it feels a little bit light. The clasp feels kind of rickety, so I think the bracelet and clasp in general needs to go, and they should upgrade that. This feels like something I would pay in the $300 or $400 price point, not the nearly $1,700 price point. But in general, I think it's a good showing from HODINKEE and ZODIAC. I'd like to see more collaborations with them in the future. I think HODINKEE has something that other collaborators don't have, and that's a lot of influence from their staff with really good taste. They know what collectors like you and I really like. And I think as they continue to grow, I think we'll see more brands like ZODIAC, like we have seen with Omega before as well. I think we'll see more brands like that collaborating with HODINKEE and other influencers in the watch world. I like to see that. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments.